Klaviyo Email Marketing Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. All relevant links and resources are available in the video description below. Klaviyo is a powerful email and SMS marketing automation platform built specifically for e-commerce businesses. It's designed to help online stores increase revenue through personalized, data-driven campaigns. The platform integrates deeply with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, and Magento, allowing real-time syncing of customer data, purchase history, and browsing behavior. Key features include advanced segmentation, dynamic content, predictive analytics, and robust automation flows that can be easily built using a visual editor. Klaviyo's standout feature is its ability to create hyper-targeted email and SMS campaigns based on customer lifecycle stages, shopping habits, and engagement levels. The drag-and-drop builder makes designing responsive emails straightforward, while pre-built templates and flows, like abandoned cart, welcome series, and post-purchase, help businesses launch quickly. Klaviyo also excels in data tracking and reporting. It provides detailed metrics on conversions, revenue per recipient, customer lifetime value, and more, helping marketers make informed decisions. For those investing in both email and SMS, Klaviyo offers seamless multi-channel coordination within a single dashboard. The platform is best suited for growth-focused e-commerce brands that prioritize personalization, automation, and deep analytics. Pricing is based on list size and can be on the higher side compared to some alternatives, but the ROI potential justifies the cost for most serious e-commerce operators. In terms of strengths, Klaviyo offers unmatched integration with e-commerce platforms, industry-leading automation, and high deliverability. Its segmentation engine is one of the best in the market, and it gives users full control over customer targeting. On the downside, it's not ideal for non-e-commerce businesses, and the learning curve can be steep for beginners due to the depth of features. Also, while customer support is generally good, response times can vary depending on your plan. Overall, Klaviyo is a top-tier solution for e-commerce marketers who want powerful tools to drive engagement and sales through personalized messaging. If you're running an online store and need an advanced marketing platform that grows with your business, Klaviyo is hard to beat.